Om Shri Sai Ram. Dear students, in the last class we have discussed about the concepts distance travelled and displacement. What is meant by distance travelled? Distance travelled means it is the total path length travelled by the body. It is called distance travelled. And in this distance travelled, here direction is not considerable. So it is a scalar quantity. And then displacement means it is the shortest distance between the initial and final position of the body. And in this displacement here direction is considerable, so it is a vector quantity. Two types of physical quantities, scalar and vector quantities. And displacement refers to distance travelled in a given direction. This displacement is also a distance travelled, but in a given direction, in only one direction, not in two directions. Okay, only one direction, because it is a vector quantity, direction is considerable. Okay, now here is a problem related to these concepts, displacement and distance travelled. See here, problem. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the magnitude of displacement of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes? At the end of, here repeated, at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds from his initial position. It is problem. Again read this problem. A farmer moves along the boundary of a square field. Here is a field. Shape of this field, it is square. Square it is. Square. And we know that square, it has 4 sides, 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles. And name this square A, B, C and D. A, B, C, D, it is a square. Okay, it has 4 equal sides and 4 equal angles. That means this AB side, AB equals to BC equals to CD and equals to DA. 4 sides are equal. And angles also, 4 angles are also equal. Angle A equals to angle B equals to angle C and equals to angle D. And its value, it is 90 degree. 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree it is. Okay, again come to this problem. Here of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. Here a farmer moves along the boundary of a square field of side 10 meter in 40 seconds. In 40 seconds. That means he is now first he is here in A position and he moves from A to B, then B to C, then C to D, then D to A. Again come to this point, A point. Okay. That means one cycle. Here it takes 40 seconds to complete his one round, first round. The first he is in A position and next he goes to B position, then C, D, again comes to A position. That means he completes here one cycle and he takes 40 seconds. How many seconds here? 40 seconds. It is given in the problem. 40 seconds. Okay. Then calculate what is the magnitude of the farmer at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, don't write it, write this now. Okay, now see here, ABCD, it is a square, and AB, its value 10 meter, and here also 10 meter, 10 meter, here also 10 meter. He is in A position, and he starts moving from A to B. A to B, he covers 10 meter distance in 10 seconds. How many seconds here? 10 seconds. Again B to C, he takes 10 seconds, and here also he takes 10 seconds, here also 10 seconds. Total time 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many seconds? 40 seconds. Here it is given in the problem. In 40 seconds he completes its first round. First round. Okay. So calculate its displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds. First here time 2 minutes 20 seconds. 20 seconds equals to 2 minutes. Convert this in seconds. We know that 1 minute equals to how many seconds? 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So here 2 into 60. Is it correct? 2 minutes means 2 into 60. That means 120 seconds. Plus here some seconds are given, 20 seconds. So 2 minutes 20 seconds equals to 2 into 60, 120 plus 20 equals to 140 seconds. 140 seconds. First convert this time, minutes into seconds. How many seconds here? 140 seconds. In 40 seconds, here farmer completes its first round. First round. Okay. In 40 seconds, first round complete 20 seconds. He takes 40 seconds. Sorry, 40 seconds. Now, in the next 40 seconds, he completes second round. That means in 80 seconds. Okay, in 80 seconds, he completes second round. In 80 seconds. Second round, he takes how many seconds here? 80 seconds. In 80 seconds, he completes his second round. Okay, here 80 seconds, but here 140 seconds are given. Next, in the next 40 seconds, he completes third round. That means how many? 40 plus 40 plus 40. In 120 seconds. In 120 seconds, he completes his third round. In 120 seconds, he completes third round. Okay, now here place of this farmer is now A. Okay, that means here in 120 seconds, he completes 3 rounds, 3 cycles. Okay, here 140 is given. Again, he starts from here A point and reaches to this B point in 10 seconds. 120 plus 10, 130 seconds. So in 130 seconds, his position is B. His position is B. How many seconds? 130 seconds. In 130 seconds, his position is B. Okay. Next, in the next 10 seconds, he moves from B to C. Here 130 plus 10 seconds. In 140 seconds, his position is C. In 140 seconds, his position is C. Okay, his position is C. So, what is the final position of the farmer? It is C. So, C is the final position. final position. A is the initial position. Initial position. A is the initial position and C is the final position. Now calculate here displacement. Remember the definition of displacement. Displacement means it is the shortest distance between the initial and final position of the body. Here, which is the initial position A and final position C. What is the shortest distance is here? In this direction, see, in dotted line, draw this line AC. AC is the shortest distance. That means it is displacement. So, displacement equals to AC. Displacement equals to AC. AC is displacement. Now, how to calculate this displacement? AC, calculate AC, value of AC. Okay, see here, this ABC, which type of figure it is? ABC. Can you identify ABC? Here three sides AB, BC and AC. It is a triangle. It is a triangle. And in this triangle, angle ABC, that means this B angle. What is the value of B angle? It is 90 degree because in a square, angles are equal. 4 angles are equal and its value 90 degree. So here 90 degree, angle B equals to 90 degree. Okay, so this triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle. It is a right angle triangle. Okay, triangle ABC. Draw here this triangle ABC is like this, A, B, C, and here B angle it is 90 degree. 90 degree. This triangle ABC, it is right angle triangle. Okay. In mathematics, one theory states the relationship between the sides of the right angle triangle. Which theory it is? Which theory it is? It is Pythagoras theorem. It is Pythagoras theorem. In this right angle triangle, here this side, AC side, this AC side it is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. This AC it is called hypotenuse. Okay. This hypotenuse, why this AC is hypotenuse here? It is opposite to this angle, 90 degree angle. Largest angle it is, 90 degree. Opposite to this B angle, 90 degree angle, right angle. It is this side, AC side is called hypotenuse. And Pythagoras theorem, it states that in a right angle triangle, here square of the length of hypotenuse, which is the hypotenuse here, AC. It's a square, that means AC square. Is it correct? AC square equals to square of the length of hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of lengths of other two sides. Sum of the squares of the length of other two sides. Which are the other two sides here? AB and BC are the other two sides. It's a squares and sum. That means AB plus BC. It is the squares of, sorry, it is the sum of these two sides. Not sum. Squares of the squares. So AB square plus BC square. It is the formula of this Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in ABC triangle, it is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So it is mathematics. Okay, AC square equals to AB squared plus BC square. AC squared equals to AB squared plus BC square. Here AC is displacement. So here first calculate value of AC. Okay. Next step, AC squared equals to AB square. AB means here it is the side of this square. It is the value 10 meter. So here 10 meter, AB and BC value same 10 meter it is. So AC square equals to 10 square plus 10 square. 10 square plus 10 square. Is it correct? Because here AB equals to 10, BC equals to 10. Then the next step, AC squared equals to 10 square. That means 10 square means 10 into 10. How much? 100. Plus again 10 square, 100. AC square equals to 100 plus 100, 200. It is AC square, but displacement equal to only AC. Here AC square is equals to 200. Okay, in the next step, AC equals to, is it 200? No. Why? AC square equals to 200. Okay, AC equals to, take the square root of this 200. AC equals to square root of 200. AC equals to square root of 200. Okay. In the next step, AC equals to, see here, square root of 200. Its value, see, square root, write like this. And 200, it is written as 2 into 100. Is it correct? 2 into 100 equals to 200. Value same. Okay. The next step, AC equals to, here square root of 2 into square root of 100. What is the value of square root of 100? Square root of 100 is 10. Correct. 10 into square root of 2. It is an irrational number. Okay. So it is not a perfect square number. Perfect square number 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, like that. 100 is also a perfect square. Okay, here 2 is not a perfect square number. So 10 into square root of 2, 10 into square root of 2. So AC equals to 10 into square root of 2, this much of meter, or AC equals to 10 into square root of 2. Its value, it is irrational number, and its value 1.41. It continues because it is irrational number. Here takes only 2 digits. Okay, 1.41. In the next step, 10 into 1.41. Calculate the product here. 10 into 10 into 1 point or 1.41 into 10. 10 into 1. 10 ones are 10. or first here 0 0 0, 1 into 1 1, 1 4s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 0 1 4 1 2 digits, then value here 10 into 1.41 means 14.10, 14.10. So AC equals to 14.10 or 14.1 meter. AC means here displacement. So what is the displacement here? AC equals to 14.1 meter. Displacement equals to 14.1 meter. Okay, it is a solution of this problem. Okay, now write this problem in your notebook. Now write solution for this problem. Solution for this problem. Okay students, now write this problem in your notebook and write the solution. Solution is already explained. Now write solution for this problem. Okay, here first draw one square ABCD and length of AB or each side it is equal, it is 10 meter. Here here farmer completes his first round in 40 seconds. That means he covers 40 meter, 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 40 meter in 40 seconds. He covers 40 meter distance in 40 seconds. Okay, but here how many time is given here? First 2 minutes 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds equals to 2 into 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. 60 plus here 20 seconds. 2 into 60, 120 plus 20, 140 seconds. 140 seconds. Now, in 140 seconds, here initial position, right? Initial position of the farmer, just write initial position is A. Okay, initial position is A, and after 120 seconds, again his position is A, final position is also A after 120 seconds only. Okay, that means then displacement becomes 0. Why displacement becomes 0? Initial and final positions are same. Okay, in the next 20 seconds, his position is C. His position is C. So, final position is equal to C. Final position equals to C. Now, calculate the displacement. Here, initial position A, final position C. Displacement. Here, AC is the displacement. Okay, this is the displacement. Now here B angle 90 degree. So it is hypotenuse. Okay, so calculate the displacement. Displacement equals to AC. We know that already discussed ABC. It is a right angle triangle. Okay, in that AC it is hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, AC squared equals to AB squared plus BC squared equals to AB value 10. 10 square plus 10 square equals to 100 plus 100 equals to 200. AC square is equal to 200, already explained. AC is equal to square root of 200. So AC equals to 100 into 2. Square root of 100 is 2. Sorry, square root of 100 is 10. 10 into square root of 2 AC. Write this much of value, or 10 into square root of value 1.41. So its value 14.1 meter. So write displacement equals to 14.1 meter. This is the displacement. Okay students, next part of this lesson is continue in the next class. Sai Ram.